Hey guys, my name is Chirag and I am 5 years old and I like drawing. And today we're sketching a shark. Let's start. Right now, let's draw a curved line like that. Now draw a line going down like that. Now let's make the bottom of the shark. Like that, a curved line like that. Now let's draw the tail. Like that. Now let's draw the fin. Like that. Now let's this is the side of it now. We make a half of it. We need space for the mouth because okay, now let's draw the mouth. We connect from here and the line going down, the same line going down like that. Now let's draw the eye. Just the oval, like that. Now let's draw some, like under these lines on sharks. We're gonna make this into a great white shark. Now let's draw the white underneath. Make a wiggly line. Stop in the middle because we need to, like the fin is coming down, then it connects to the other side. And we stop right here. And here we go down. We do the same thing on the bottom. Like that. Okay, now let's draw his fin. Line going down like that. Now let's draw the other fin. Right there. Now sharks have these little fins underneath. Like that. Now let's get our marker. And let's color in the eye. Like that. Now I'm gonna trace everything with my marker except this line. Okay, now I'm gonna trace. Okay, now let's erase the line. There we go. Oh no. Okay. And let me trace everything. Even this, we're not gonna do this one too. Only this one. Okay, I'm done tracing. Okay, now we need our paint, so we're gonna color our shark gray. I'm coloring it with my pencil. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done. Almost done on the last fin in detail. Okay, now I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye.